Darren O'Lean in one of the most amazing places on earth. I'm the co-creator of Shakeology, and I'm here to search for the most amazing, powerful, nutritious superfoods on the planet. Let's go see it, let's go find it, let's go look in the eyes of the experts. This is like the holy grail of quality. Completely wild, completely untouched.
Whatever it takes for Shakeology, I'll go to make sure that you get the best quality ingredients possible.
This is a fairly young sashenshi plant, and it grows to about 8 feet. How great is that? That as soon as you pick this mature one, it produces again, and again, and again, all year round. And this makes this a very valuable crop. And on top of it, it's so nutritious. Amino acids, essential fatty acids, minerals, calcium, magnesium. Definitely a must in Shakeology. Here we are in Junín, over 12,000 feet. The only thing that grows here is maca.
If you smell it, it's a strong, pungent smell. It was one of those things that as ancient Peruvians, the women would give their men before they went off to battle. Endurance, stamina, potency, aphrodisiac, extra energetic.
Maca, pure energy source, grown in nature and delivered in Shakeology.
There it is.
Woo! Yeah, cacao. Woo. Natural feel good. It's got a perfect antidepressant activity in it. Probably one of the most mineral-packed foods on the planet. So this is an organic, certified sashenshi field. This is all clean, no pesticides, no herbicides, no chemicals of any kind. Traditionally, after they peel this, they actually soak this overnight, grind it into a meal, and they consume it regularly. The cool thing about this is, here's the plants, here's the experts, there's the processing. It all happens right here. A lot of experimenting, making sure that it's great, it's potent, and it works. Products that we use in Shakeology are all over the place. A lot of different ways, dried, cut, sliced. Incan berries, very, very high in vitamin A. Camu camu, that's the highest vitamin C fruit that we know of. Energy, Peruvian Viagra, Speedy Gonzalez. Woohoo! And now, it's time to eat. Is that a fruta?
A little bit. Wow, I can't tell you how amazing this is. I'm not leaving.
I think at the end of the day, I really love discovering quality ingredients for people. But it's also connecting to people that means so much to me. Well, not only are you benefiting the locals, but you're also benefiting now thousands of people in the US who are consuming Shakeology.
Sashenshi es un producto para el mundo entero.
God gave Sashenshi to Peru, but it's meant for the world.
Yeah, that's beautiful. There's a lot that goes into a finished product, and there's a lot of people, a lot of lives that are being touched, and a lot of hands that are doing the work in order for this to be here, in order for it to be in a thing called Shakeology. You have Shakeology there. All you have to do is share it, because you know what? It's nature in a bag.